To begin, drain 4 15-ounce cans of sliced peaches. Transfer the drained peaches into a large mixing bowl, then add in 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, followed by 1/4 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg. And make sure to use fresh nutmeg as it will make a huge difference. Then mix until well combined. Ensure that the peaches are coated evenly. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 177 degrees Celsius. Once you're evenly coated, set that aside. Now, in another mixing bowl, add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Then whisk until evenly incorporated. Now, to the flour mixture, add in 1 cup of whole milk. Go ahead and whisk, and you should end up with a pancake batter-like consistency. Whisk, whisk, whisk! Now, to a 9x13 baking dish, add in 6 tablespoons of butter. Transfer the baking dish into the preheated oven and melt the butter. Once the butter has melted, bring the baking dish back out. Now, pour most of your batter on top of the butter. Saving some of the batter for the very top. Go ahead and spread the batter so it doesn't bake all in a lump, but do not mix it with the butter. Once the batter has been spread out, bring the peaches in. Spread out the peaches a little bit as well to give room for the batter to rise. Then top it off with the remaining batter. Spread the batter all over the peaches in no particular order. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 55 minutes or until golden brown. And if everything goes according to plan, your peach cobbler would look like this. Serve and enjoy while still warm. And to make this peach cobbler come to life, top it off with 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. And now you are ready to eat. And there you guys have it, the most amazing peach cobbler. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!